Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to find the area bounded by y equals to x minus 2 to the power of 2, y equals to x, and x equals to number 0. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to graph about the function about y equals to x minus 2 to the power of 2. The graph should be like this. Y equals to x. The graph should be like this. X equals to number 0. So the graph should be about this one. So the area we need to concentrate, that is about this one. Now we need to find the intersection about this one only, because we know that this one that is about x equals to number 0. So we have y and y in here. Now we have x equals to x minus 2 to the power of 2. Now we need to expand this one. So I will put this one on the right. So we have negative number 4, negative number 1, we have negative number 5x. And now we need to find the solutions of this one. So we have x equals to number 1 and x equals to number 4. Now if we look on the graph, this one that will go first in here, that's about number 1. So this one is about number 4. But we just find the area in here. So the bounds of this one, that is about from 0 to number 1. And now we have the integration. So we know that this one, that is about the upper. This one, that is about the lower. So upper will go first. Later that we go to lower. Upper, that is about this one. And the lower, that's about x. So we need to expand this one. So negative 4x and negative x, we have negative 5x. The integration of x square, we have x to the power of 3 over 3. This one, we have x square over 2. Number 4, we have 4x. And now I will put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So I will put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here. And now we have the final answer. and we have the final answer, that is 11/6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.